Hi all. Do you like to listen to music that you're using an earphone? Oh yes, even I like that. But you feel that it's tough to pack it, that it gets messy and gets tangled all up? Wait, a solution for it. So this is an origami earphone box. So it doesn't require glue or tape. This rubber band makes it extra secure. You can open it, we can just pick it, and then we can listen to music. Here's the thing. So do you want to learn how to do this? So let's get started. Okay. So we need a square sheet of paper. Let's get started. So first we need to fold it. We should make sure that we are not folding completely, just at the corners. So now we can take our pencil and just mark it here. So now we can see this flap. We need to take it here and fold only on this side. So if you want, you can mark it, but I feel that marking for me is not necessary. Similarly here, you can see one and the second. You need to repeat the same even this side too. And you need to fold it here. So now we can see one fold, the second and the third. So now the fold that we're going to do now is a confirmed fold. You can now crease this well. You see, we can now repeat this in the other side too. You see, if you do it together on both the sides, you can see a line coming here. To prevent this, we can do it on just one side. And now we can fold this to this side. So now we can see this flap. We need to fold it to the center line. For this, we can fold it both the sides and open it up. Now we need to mark this line because it's important for us. You can see here and here. We can repeat the same. And open. And we can mark the line. So now you can see this flap, we need to fold it towards the line. And repeat the same on the other side. You can now open this flap alone. Because this step is an important one, make sure that you listen to those rules completely. See, I open one fold and bring it towards this point. You can place it. You now open it and bring it back to the normal fold. Turn it over the other side and repeat the same fold. Now we can open and bring this back to here. So now we can see this line. A line here, a line here, and 60 folds. You can unfold this one and let this be. So this fold is going to remain like this for till the last. You can now take this flap. You can see the line here, so we can fold it there. Make sure we are not supposed to crease it. You can just take this point and now draw a line. This point and you can see the line to here. So these lines are just rough lines for reference. So you can see to this point you need to crease it and when it remains the center part and crease it This might be a little bit confusing, but it's okay. If you just practice it, you can get familiar with these folds. And draw a line here to erase this line. So we need to repeat the same on the other side. Draw the line, and similarly here. So we can now see 4 lines here, 1, 2 and 3, 4. So you can take this flap and fold it towards this line. So that's why the marking of this line is quite important. So we need to crease it well. And now you can see this line, we need to fold it along with it. Similarly here. You see there's a bit remaining part, you need to fold it like this. Make sure you crease this well because it's important for the earphone box. And now we can open it. See, if you want, you can stick tape here just to give it a little bit strong bottom, but that's just optional. I don't want to do that because I feel that the paper is a little bit thick. So we can now proceed. Now you can just take it. You can see this crease. You can just press it and bring this towards this point. Bringing it there forms a diagonal fold. You can just crease it and you can see a diagonal line. Just a rough part. You can just bring it to this line. So this is how the line is. You can bring it upwards. So now you can see an existing diagonal line. I need to bring this paper. And now we can just fold it inside. And to make it a little bit extra secure, you can see this line. We need to. It should be on top of it. And just insert it. And now I have inserted it. So now you can see that the square shape is forming, but at this point it looks as if it's a rectangle. So to make it a square, you can see a line like this. We need to fold it. Or to make it easier, you can see a line here inside. We need to fold it. So we can just make it uniformly on all the sides. So now the fold is now uniform all the sides. So we can now crease it here a little bit. This fold is just temporary. Later we will just unfold it up. Our structure is now ready. We can see a diagonal line here. Need to break it. So this will form a square. Similarly on the other side. So you see a square shape is now getting formed. So just bring it back. You can now just crease it. Then I'll bring it backwards again. Okay. So you can see crease here. You need to fold it there. So this is going to be the first side. So like this. As you're folding it up, we can just bring it. So I completely forgot to make an important step, and that's why you're struggling. So we can bring this towards this point, and now you can see that it automatically came. Similarly here, and now we have the shape. You can now unfold the fold which you first did. And now we have got the perfect shape of the earphone holder. And see, it's now closing. So let me show you how to put the earphone inside it. You can open. So here I have a earphone. You can see this is the plugged in point where we put it in the earphone, in the tab or phone or whatever. You can now see a small pocket here, right? We need to insert it there. So inserting it there will make sure that it comes outside towards this point. And now we can place the earphone in the box. So now the earphone is in the box and you can now close it. The earphone box is ready. Now just to make it extra secure, you can use a rubber band. In this way we can also make this at one particular point. So whenever you want to hear, you can just remove it. So now we can, whenever you want, we can remove the rubber band. You can see this point, right? You can now insert wherever the earphone holder in the tab is or phone, whatever, and you can now just take it. And then you can listen to it, and then you can remove it, and similarly we can pack it. So this easily carryable way where you can take it, you can just have it in your hand itself. It's very easy. Ultimately we can prevent our earphone from getting damaged under too much weight in our bag. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.